Hey guys, today I am tackling my fridge, and this is a big kitchen organization haul. We are revamping the inside of a refrigerator, and it is about time because it is just utter chaos. My kids can never find anything, which means that I'm the one that always has to go in there and get whatever they want. And so I thought that if I put some order into my refrigerator, then maybe it would make everybody's lives easier, not just my own. So I just wanted to show you the real truth. This is what my real fridge looks like. I did not tidy it up before I started filming. I bought these baskets on Amazon. They were pretty affordable. I'll put the link below. And I just wanted to get started. Now, the first step, of course, is to completely get every single thing out of the fridge. And as I went deeper into the back of the fridge, I realized that a lot of stuff needed to be thrown out. So after a quick wipe down with these microfiber cloths that I started to use, because I realized that I was using a lot of paper towels, and I saw a lot of people using microfiber cloths, and so I started using them around the house, and I have to tell you, I really love them. You use them a couple of times and then you throw them in the wash. So I was able to just clean everything with those cloths. And then just for safety precautions in my drawers, I put some paper towels because I just wanted to be able to not have to worry about cleaning them so intently the next time. So those will last me quite some time. And then I started reorganizing items together. And I have 3 children, so these are pretty much their lunch and snack items. I kept leftovers together. I kept fruit together, our salad, anything that was sort of resembling one another. I tried to keep it associated in the same area. I have Purdue chicken defrosting for tonight. That goes on top. Another vegetable drawer. Some leftovers in really old containers because that's what we do. And then I checked out my pantry and I said, what else can I put in my refrigerator? And I found some Go-Go Squeeze. So I just wanted to show you that these perfectly fit. I also have some Kool-Aid that I will put in as well, which also perfectly fits in these containers. So if you have kids, these are really great. When you're making lunches, you just pick one and go. No more fumbling with boxes. And here's my result. I have everything in its place and a place for everything. I just can't tell you how much I love the way this turned out. It didn't take much time. It maybe took me a half hour. And I'm really not feeling well, to be honest with you. I don't know if you could hear my sniffles, but I was able to do it, and the return to me is so very great. So I'm really looking forward to making lunches and dinner and just helping the kids with whatever they need with this new order. And as you can see, I have plenty of room, and I could also see what I have. I have 3 things of eggs. I didn't even know that. And now that I have things together, I can see what I don't need to buy this week for food shopping. So I hope this gave you an idea for maybe some sort of kitchen organization inspiration. Maybe you'd like to reorganize your refrigerator as well. Until next time.